Today I am reviewing this handheld cordless chainsaw. In this really nice plastic case, you see two latches up top, nice handle, makes it easy to carry around, and I think these are great to keep in your car, especially if you have wild weather events like we did in California last year. Here's everything that comes with it. Comes with these gloves, your manual. Here's the chainsaw right here. So it has an auto, has a toolless tensioner right here, has the guard right here, has a spot to put the oil and the primer. Nice fit to it, kind of green and black look. This is 21 watts. Go 10 meters per second, it says. Comes with an extra chain, brush, safety goggles, two 2-amp batteries. You can see they have the indicator there showing that they need to be charged up. So both of them came with about 3 bars, which is about what you want to store these at. Comes with a charger with one plug, so you can charge one battery at a time. Just a standard 110 outlet. Plugs in right here. Slap one of these batteries in here. Does not come with any bar oil. So here's the. So you see, has a, because it is a brushless motor as well. It's a nice feel to it. It's also nice, if you can see here, it's showing your battery indicator, so it says we're at about 65 or 66% of the battery cell. Yeah, a little over half. You can see that go down, so that's neat. I'm going to put the other battery on the charger, and then we'll go test out, see how it cuts. Put a little oil in here as well. Let's see, oil. The primer, we'll see how the oil flows and how well it cuts, but it's not too loud. It's a nice grip, a nice guard right here as well for your hands. See the motor turning in there. It seems solidly constructed, and I like that it comes with an extra chain as well, and this is a 6-inch blade. Alright, so I got it all set up with the oil. You can see it actually holds a large amount of oil. There's a breathless cap right here. Small fill hole, so when filling it up, definitely use a funnel, because you can see I spilled some, and you can see it gets a good amount of oil to it, and it's really hard to press it. Like, you press it down, it takes a lot of pressure. I don't know if you see, and it's dripping out right there, and check this out. We got spray, so it's actually coating it really well, which is nice. I have this bottle brush right here that I cut down, and something like these little mini chainsaws, these handheld little hatchets, are great for this stuff, just to get all these little limbs, you know, from this bush down into be able to fit in the yard waste bin or whatever. This thing died over the year, so I had to take it out. Plus, it was severely overgrown. But let's see how well it cuts. Just cut little stuff. Slices right through it. Cutting really nice. Got a little more on there, and you can see not hard cut for it, but that's because I hit the other one. Yeah, cut stuff like this up real nice. Throwing some good chain over there. Let's get a bit bigger piece. So this is a very hard wood on here. So this is thick. This is probably about 3 or 4 inches, so should be able to cut no problem. But this is a lot harder wood than like pine. It does it. No burn marks in there or anything. We're doing the job. This actually stuff makes a great start for firewood. Gets it nice and hot. I save all the firewood I can get. You can see I can just chop through jobs like this. You can use it one-handed easily. Overall, pretty nice saw. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.